Hello. Today we're going to go ahead and learn how to use WeVideo for our movie score project. First thing that you'll need to do is go to Classroom, and if you haven't downloaded your video already, we're going to go ahead and do that. So we'll go into your class, and then from there you can either click on the stream or go to classwork. And then remember, you have the options here of video 1, 2, or 3. We'll say that I'm just going to grab video number 1. And this is a step that you would take after you've completed your audio file. This is when you're combining the video file with the audio file. So you download it, and yours will show up into your drive. Mine is showing up on my computer. So then from here, we go to wevideo.com. and it'll give you this at the home page. You, just like everything that else that we've done, you're going to go sign in with a Google account, sign up with a Google account, and you'll just have to select. And then you might have to exit through some things. It might ask you to upgrade. You don't need to upgrade. The free version is going to be fine for you. So create new. Now we have a lot of things going on here. This is our basic video editor. In order to get the videos that we want, we've got to go into this folder here, and then this button here, which is import media. You're going to go right to your Google Drive, and it's going to pop up, and you're just going to select your video. I'm doing the same thing, but I just need to do it for my computer. So let's go here. So now I have the video in my media section. I can just grab that. You see it's kind of loading in there. When that's finished, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it down here into video. Now these video files, they have the audio attached, so we need to take the audio out. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drag it right into the video, all the way at the bottom. Now we're going to press this arrow, or press this more buttons button, and we say mute track. So now if we were to play it, we shouldn't hear any volume. But if we had the actual volume, if we say unmute, then we would hear this. So it's pretty obvious if there's sound or not, but we're going to mute the track, and then you're going to go in and grab your Soundtrap MP3 file, and let's say you would do the same thing. You do import media, and then you would just I'll just grab some music, and we'll go from there. Music. Sure. So now I've got this in there, just like the video. It's going to upload, and you're going to drag it in, and you're going to drag it into the audio spot. It doesn't want me to grab it yet. You're going to drag that into the audio spot, and then theoretically it should line right up with your video. Here we go. Oh, it didn't do it. But what you would do is you would take this and you would drag it right into your audio, and then you would be all set. Then you would go to, you're scrolling up, you go to finish. You would put your last name and your partner. Then it's going to ask you, do you want the standard or the HD? We're just going to do the standard, that's fine. And then it says destinations. Finished videos are automatically saved to your WeVideo account. You're going to press drive. And then it might ask you to sign in again. You should just be able to click a button. And then finish. So what it's going to do is it's going to download it right into your drive, and then you can select that and turn in the project. Good luck!